What's cracking, Lizard Gang? Welcome back to the channel. So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. If you're not, how's it hanging, Lizard Gang? Welcome back to your favorite lizard channel. Lizard Gang, bang, bang all day. So today is what? It's Tuesday. It's around 1:40 p.m. And we out here on the Blade on 27th Avenue. And it's already crazy, guys. Let me tell you something that I just seen right now, that witnessed. I just witnessed somebody that was about to get his head blown off straight up, man. So these dudes, I'm not gonna mention specifics, but these dudes were trying to rob this chick, and her boyfriend hops out of the car, and he confronts him, right? He's all like, like, what the is going on? So the two dudes, they back up. The other dudes tries to sneak around them and behind them, and tries to like sneak up from behind and try to sucker punch him. But the dude turns around real quick, and he got hesitant. The suspect got hesitant. So, all right, to make a long story short, the girl and the guy both jump in their vehicle. They're about to take off, and this dude goes in his car. The suspect, one of the suspects goes in his car, reaches for the gun, cocks it back, and points it straight at the dude. Lesson to be learned about this, man. If you guys are out here on 27th Avenue and Indian School on the Blade, be really careful, man. Roll around with your windows and your doors locked, man. You guys need to be with your head on a swivel, man, because people out here, they're not playing, man. They're rolling around with guns. These young thugs, they don't care about your life. They don't care about nothing, man. They don't care if you're just out here to do good, to do bad, to buy some blunt wraps, whatever you're doing out here. They're just looking for the next fix. They're looking for a quick come up. All right, so with that said, let's get to this video, Lizard Gang. Let's go find these lizards. Damn, look at those gas prices. Crazy. Today's cloudy too, but rain or shine, Lizard Gang, they're out here. I'm gonna go around and get a better shot. Let's see how long it takes till she gets picked up, Lizard Gang. See if I could get the street sign real quick. That's 27th Avenue in Georgia. We're gonna pull up to the Lizard Lounge right now after this. Seen it earlier and it was packed. Starting to sprinkle out here too. Look at that. You gotta love the dedication though. The lizard hunter can't even get his girl to make him a sandwich. How do these peas manage this? Standing out in the rain. Working out in the rain. Alright, let's move on. Let's go to the Lizard Lounge. Check it out, Lizard Gang. They're huddled right there by the Lizard Lounge. Let me take off my wipers before somebody starts crying. Oh, Lizard Hunter, why did you have your wipers on? I couldn't concentrate. There you go, that better? Yeah, but it's already coming down though, guys. Like I said, the lizard hunter can't even get his girl to make him a sandwich. I'm gonna have to go to P school, man. And I can't say that word, P-I-M-P. I don't know what you heard about me, but you can't get $1 out of me. No Cadillacs, no birds you can't see. That I'm up, P-I-M-P. All right, let's slow it down again. Come on, wipers. You're not helping out here. Why is this the most popular spot for the lizards? Let me know, guys. Let me know down in the comment section. Why do you guys think that they congregate right here? Or I mean, they lounge here. Uh-oh. Someone stop for that one. Lizard dinner or no lizard dinner? I guess not. Starting to come down a little harder. Can you guys hear the raindrops or not? I wanna go outside in the rain. Wanna go outside in the rain like a lizard, homeboy? I wonder if it slows down when it rains. All right, so let's go down 27th Ave and let's go see if we can find any other or some more action. What do you guys think, Lizard Gang? Smash or pass? I know the answer to that one already. All right, Lizard Gang, so that's just gonna be a little short video. To everybody that caught my merch, hey man, I want to thank you guys. Thank you guys for blessing the Lizard Hunter and for supporting the channel. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I'll keep on making them for you. I'm gonna be traveling to different states pretty soon. Just stay tuned for that one. We're gonna try to do different things pretty soon. I'm just in the process of getting new cameras and stuff like that, new gear. So if you guys are wanting to get some fresh gear, some merch, hey man, I really do appreciate that. That will help my channel out a lot. Also, like the links down in the description with the Amazon, if you guys go through my link or whatever and cop something, that'll help out the channel. But yeah, that's gonna be it, Lizard Gang. I'll see you guys on the next one.